Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sticky notes in Windows 11. A sticky note is a great way to keep a quick reminder right on your screen. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Sticky Notes. Click to open the app. When Sticky Notes opens, you'll see the notes list. From here, you can view, edit, or create new notes. To create a new note, click the plus new icon. A small sticky note will pop up in your Sticky Notes app. Type anything you want into the note: reminders, ideas, or to-do lists. Sticky Notes saves automatically so you don't have to worry about losing your text. You can also format your text: bold, italic, underline, strike through, or even add bullet points. Click on Pop Out to open the note on your desktop. A small sticky note will appear there. You can move the note around your desktop by dragging it, or resize it by clicking and dragging from the edges. You can add as many notes as you want to stay organized. To change the color of a note, click the three-dot menu and choose a color. This is perfect for organizing different types of notes. If you sign in with your Microsoft account, all your notes will sync across devices, so you can access them from your PC, tablet, or even the Sticky Notes app on your phone through OneNote. In the Settings menu, you can change your Sticky Notes theme, like dark or light mode. When you're done, you can minimize the note, close it, or delete it from the Options menu. And that's how you use Sticky Notes in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.